G'day guys, welcome back to Ron's Relics and Coins. It's been a little while since I've been out. I thought I'd come to a new place today. Bit of history here. There used to be an old gold mining little village back here in 1894. Then over the years the little village got burnt down with the bushfires. And the Australian Army came through here and they done their training here, and they blew things to smithereens, and there's not much left of, say, buildings or anything, because they're all gone. I've been over through there once before, and I found a little 4-hole button. That's the only thing I've ever found out here. But anyway, some of the history that's here. As long as I leave me stuff over there, I'll be right. Yeah, so this is an old cemetery. Just there's a little grave there. And a couple here. And there's one up there. Right up the top there, if you can see it. Just up there. And these ones here, like this one here is called Church of England. And I'll try and get some of the dates off them. I won't put the names up or anything. Oh, where am I looking? There's, people have died here at the age of 6 months old, and the date on that one there, 11 months old, and 1895. And there's another couple here, age 36, 1893, and there's another one here, 1915. So, like, there's the Church of England, there's the Germans and everyone that used to do the mining here, the Chinese and that. That's as much information that I know of. But anyway, something different. It's probably about 30-40 k's away from home, and there's mines, open mines, all down through there somewhere, but I can't drive down through amongst the trees. There's no roadway through there, so I won't venture away too far away from the car. There. Someone kindly shared their COVID-19 with me. I'm only just sort of getting over it. Had it for about 9 days. But yeah, finally out and about. So, alright. I'll get back to you on my first decent find and see how I go out here. Alright, I'll get back to you soon. Okay, I've got my first target here. Sounds like a bit of a low tone. Comes up 55, 56. A couple of inches down. Just there. Alright, so I'm not sure what I'm going to get out here. But anyway, we'll have a look. I brought me little mattock, or my little pick, just in case the ground's a bit rocky. So it's not too bad at digging just yet, but there is a lot of granite and a lot of rock around. Alright. Still there. Oh, that changed its tone, didn't it? '90s. That changed. Alright. Okay. Let's see what we've got here, eh? That shouldn't change its tone. Okay. Must be fairly deep on there. It is there. A 303 round by looking at it. Just an old casing. Yeah. Alright. Oh, bullet shell. Alright. I'll throw that in there. We'll just double check that hole again. That's all she wrote. That was it. Alright. Okay, I'll catch you on the next. We'll just fill this hole in. Okay guys, I've got a scratchy high tone. Just there, it comes up 90, 98, 97. All the way down. Bit scratchy. Just take it off all metal mode for a sec. Alright. Okay, we'll have a bit of a dig there and we'll have a look, see what we got. Righto. Just move that out of the road. Just there. Alrighty. Probably another bullet shell or something like that. Straight down there. Righto. Alright, see if it's still in the hole. It's giving me a nice tone now. 63, 62. Must be fairly deep down still. Oh, Jesus Christ, stick up the backside. No. Got him out. Okay, what have we got? Where are you? Where is you? Didn't even realise I got it out. No. Didn't get it out. I might have to put you guys on pause. Alright, I'll come back to you. Okay guys, well that wasn't real exciting. That was giving me a bum steer, that was. Bloody big tent peg. Yeah. It was sticking out of the side wall there. Alright, I'll catch you on the next. I'll just fill this hole in. Alright, just beside these tyres here, which some grub has left out here. Yeah, I tell you what, it's not hard to take them to the local tip, you know. But anyway, got a nice high tone just here. 66, 68. Just there. Nice high tone. Couple of inches down. Alright, we'll have a look. Never seems to faze me. They always come out to the bloody bush to dump everything. Alright. Just double check that there. In the plug. Alright. Okay, in the plug, what do we got? Still there. What's that? Not too sure. Off cut a bit of metal or something. Been broken off. Snapped off there and there. Not too sure. Hey, alrighty. Alright, I'll fix that up. And we'll move along. Okay, I've got a bit of a mid-tone here. Oh dear. Excuse me. 36, 35. It's giving me a funny little pattern. It's giving me 3 little circles. One in the ferrous, one in the non-ferrous. It's sort of going straight down a line all the way to the bottom of it. About there. Alright, let's have a look. 36, 35. All I've got so far is a couple of bullet casings. 22s, a 303, and some other ammunition I'm not sure of. It's only a skinny shell. Okay, so it's out. Righto. Okay, what do we got? Alright. Righto. What do we got? Oh, what do we got there? What do we got? A button? Oh yeah, a little 4-hole button. Yeah, a little ripper. Hey, far and far in between. Yeah, where's my little brush? Oh, bugger, I got my wire one in there. Ouch. Alright. And that's the main road over there, like it takes you to a lookout. A few people are going, wondering what I'm bloody doing. And I tell you what, they bring their fancy little doodah cars down in here. Well, this is 4-wheel drive country. Alright. Now, it has got something written on it. But I haven't got my old man glasses. So what I'm going to do, I'll take a photo with my phone, see if I can get a bit of a description on it, and then I'll be able to tell you, and I'll come back to you. All right, come back to you shortly. I am sorry, guys. It must be that full of dirt and crap. I can't quite make out the writing on it, but there is writing on it. It goes right around. So I can only just sort of make it out just there. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, I'll clean it up when I get home, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, I'll fill this back in. That's a great little find, little 4-hole button. Yeah, alrighty. Alright, see you soon. Okay, got another little mid-tone, 12, 13, 14. Right over on the far left of the screen, in the non-ferrous. Just say, probably about 6 inches or so down. Alright, we'll have a look. I think that might be a 22 casing. I'm pretty sure that's what one came up a little while ago, around about that number. Alright, but I could be wrong. Alright, scrape that back a bit. Alright. Okay, where is it? In that plug, is it? In the plug, I think. Alright. Just turn this up a little bit. Must be only small. Okay. Right. Okay. Wasn't in the plug. Okay. I'll just double check that. Must be a little bit deeper. Alright. A little bit rocky. Okay. Detector again. Yeah, it's fairly deep. All right. Try again. Eleven to 13. Right there. Must be getting close to it, surely. Up under there, I'm way off. Here I am digging there. Yeah, I noticed Manticore, or Minelab's got a new 2 coils for these Manticores. They got the oh geez, I think it's 8 by 5 by 5 or something. Be a nice little coil. And I think they got the 15 inch. That'd be interesting to see. But I think I might aim for that smaller one. It's not as going to be small as a 6-inch, but all right, let's see what we got here. All right, what do we got? Okay, it's in that. What do we got? Bloody 22 casing. Comes up as 12, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, a little 22. Alright. Okay, we'll fix this crater up and we'll move along. Yeah, I reckon it'd be a great idea to get the smaller coil. I'm not sure how much they are. The only reason how I found out is when I registered my warranty on the Manticore, and it was on the Minelab page. Go in and have a look at accessories, and yeah, don't look too bad. Well, so far I've only found a few bullet shells and one button. And as I said, I can't drive right down through there. There's no road. So I might have to come back out on the main road and go down around a bit further. I'm only in, what am I in? I'm in all terrain general, so there's nothing special, no special settings or anything that I got. But it's a bit different scenery for me, rather than going to the local park most of the time. And this here's got a bit of history behind it. So I thought, yep, the miners and that would have had to walk through here, because the big dam's down on the other side of the mountain there, on the other side of the ridge. So I'll put a picture up on Google Maps later on, just to give you a bit of a location where I was, without giving it away too much. Not like I'm finding a heaps of gold or anything. It's just a different scenery. You can see where all the kangaroos and that have been scratching around the bloody trees and that here. Yeah. Wild pigs and stuff like that. Yeah. Alright, enough waffling on. I'll go down over that way and have a bit of a squiz. Oh my god, you know, when you don't do a bloody live dig and you come up with a bloody buckle like that, looks like a suspender buckle or whatever you call them, as Andrew would say, Coffee Bush Kid. I'm pretty sure that's what this is, but I'm not going to go pushing the pins or whatever it is, just in case I break the damn thing. But anyway, I'll get it as clean as I can. But to me, that's what that looks like. It's some sort of buckle. Yeah, some sort of buckle there. Hey, I'm not sure if it's got anything written on it, but you can see the two little pins just there. I'll have to put that in a tumbler or something at home and get that a bit of a clean. But that's got a bit of age to it. I don't know if you can quite see that. Yeah, that's pretty good. Nice. And it always happens when you don't do a bloody live dig. Alright, so I was up over through there because the cemetery is way up the top there, and I've drove right down in amongst the trees as far as I can go, and I'm working my way down because the mines are in over that way somewhere. But I don't want to go too far away from the car because that's the main road to go to the lookout. I don't want people to come in and, you know, break into my car while they can't see me. But yeah, I'll have a scout around up through there and up over there again and see what I can come up with. But yeah, no, that's the oldest thing other than the button that I found. That is bloody awesome. All right, I'll fill this in and we'll move along. Okay, got another nice little target just here. About 4 or so inches down, comes up as 49.50. Yeah, the pattern's sort of all over the place. Let's see, highest is 49. All right, let's have a look. Oh, the old crows over there having a bit of a yodel. Nothing like the nature. Love it. All right. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so there's nothing in there. Okay, in the plug. Okay. Let's have a look here. Righto. In the plug. Hello, what do we got there? What's that? Oh, a bloody squashed up bullet. He's hit something hard. Yeah, an old bullet. Yeah, he's hit something hard. Alright. We'll fix this up and we'll move along. Okay, got another one here, and I just noticed got a bit of a hole dug out. Hang on, I'll just mark this here. I've noticed a couple of these, like they've been dug out and the soil's been put up the top there, and I don't think it would have been from a tree root system years ago or whatever, but maybe a bit of a dug out from the mine or whatever. And you see another couple down over there. But anyway, had a target just here, and then I might move up a little bit higher. Scratchy, 90, 50s. Just there. All right, we'll have a look at that. Yeah, be alright if you can drive in through all the trees and that to get to where you're going, but unfortunately can't. The internet's not working too well out here to get the GPS part of it on the Google Maps. Alright. Okay, I think I got it out of the hole. Okay, it's out of the hole. Where are you? Just there. Righto. Let's see. Just see. What have we got? Whatever that is. Okay, let's get the little wire brush out and have a look. Okay. it could be. Another flattened bullet, I think. Yeah, I think that's what that is. Yeah, it's breaking away. Yeah, it's lead. All right, shall move along. All right, guys, I'm going to move up a little bit. We'll go up the top, the main entrance of it in, and see what I can come up with there, because that'll be closer to the little village that's there today, and I'll cut across that way. All right, I'll get back to you shortly. Righto, guys, I'm up here on the other side of the road. Have a bit of a swing over here and see how we go. Bit of noise, cars going past. Because back in the day, in the 1800s, as I said, the cemetery was way down there, and the township, the village, was in over here. And there's still some old evidence of the village being there. There were 6 motels, or 6 hotels, and they would have had to walk through here years ago to actually go to the cemetery and stuff like that, and through to the mines. So the chances of actually finding something like I did with that suspender buckle and stuff like that, I'll just have a wander around through here. You never know, I might find some wild silver, I hope. All right, I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, now this is my first signal for a fair while since I've been here. 41 to 43. Mid-tone. Just there. But it's got a long pattern, so it's something big. Yeah, something a little bit big, I think. But anyway, in saying that, we'll still have a look. Righto. Oh. Rightio, let's see what we got here, eh? Okay, let's see what we got. What is it? Okay, I moved it. Where'd it go? Ah, bloody hell. Our first pull tab. Alright, we'll fill this in, and well, that's to be expected, because there's a road that goes to the lookout and the cemetery. So, you know, people have been throwing rubbish across the side here. Alright, I'll have another go here for a little while longer, and if I don't do any good here, I'll move along to a different patch, and then we'll reassess it. Alright, I'll see you soon. Okay guys, yeah, there was a fair bit of rubbish down there, bottle tops and pull tabs. So I moved up the top. Now I'm getting closer and closer to where the village used to be, because at the moment that's a rural fire service station over there. We've got a little bit of a township in over there, and then it goes way up in over there, and in this little part here, all these cacti are just growing here wild, I don't know if someone's probably dumped them here out of a trailer or what, God knows what. They're everywhere there. And then down in over here, looks like it's been dug out here because of mines and stuff. You can see it's all been dug out here. And here as well. And then if you come down over here, whoops, this one here's been dug out. And if you can see, there's the mine shaft straight down in there where the hole is there. So you can see where they've dug down into there. I better not walk away too far away from my car because I've got my detector out there beside the car. And then all down in here, you can see where they've been digging it out in pieces. There's a couple of mines in over there. And then, as I said, I don't know how deep that is. And there's another couple there. I just seen another one here. Just here. Like they've been digging here years and years ago. This is all your soil out everywhere. And there's another one there. So, alright. I'll have a bit of a scratch around here. There's a couple of peppercorn trees, you know, over there. So, all this rock and everything that's been dragged out of the mines. Oh, losing my voice already. Cold air getting to me. Yeah. Alright. I'll have a bit of a scratch around here and see how I go. And I'll get back to you on my first decent find. Yeah, something unusual someone's done. They've got a skull of a sheep or something stuck on the end of a tree. We've got more mine diggings down in just there. So I'll work in a way down and around the bottom of the bank there and see how I go. Alright, see you soon. Okay guys, getting a little bit scarce on finding stuff here. A lot of iron, but I'm underneath this peppercorn tree and I've got this tone, 84, 60s. Sounds like I've got two items there. Just there, it's probably about 6 inches down. So we'll have a look to see what we've got here. It's a bit of a high tone. Okay guys, battery's going flat in the GoPro. Yeah, it was an old nail. Alright, I'll fill this in, I'll see you on the next. Okay guys, that might do it for me. I didn't do a very good job of finding any silvers or anything like that, but I did find a button and that buckle, a couple of bullet shells. That's not too bad. Got out and about a bit. Alright, I'll put this together when I get home and I'll clean them up and see how we go. Alright, until next time. Hi there guys, welcome back. I finally got back in from out there at the bushwalk I went to. I went to a little gold mine village that was there back in 1894. And I had a bit of a walk around and looked at the old cemetery there and some of the dates on that, 1890, 1895 or something like that, and the age of people, 36 and 11 months old children. As I said, it goes between Church of England, there was the Chinese, there was the German, all the miners that were there back then. And yeah, it was a very interesting little walk around there. I didn't find a great deal. I came across all me bits and bobs here. 303 round, 222 round, and then a pull tab, couple of screws. I think that's like a broken tooth or something, or a pick or something like that. And then I come across this little thing. Looks like a suspender buckle. Now, the Coffee Bush Kid always finds these suspender buckles, but I don't quite think this one is. It's like a safety pin. That bottom piece there weaves through and goes through like a pin, if you can see the shape of it there at the bottom. I'm not quite sure. I don't think it swivels. I'm not sure. But if you've got any ideas on what it could be, leave a comment down below. That would be fantastic. And then this one here, a little 4-hole metal button, and it says ask for crowns. Now that's not in bad condition. And what I come up with on Google says ask for crowns. Crowns were a brand of English-made moleskin trousers sold in Australia from 1867 to 1910. Tailor's buttons link us to a time past when cheap imported. Ready-to-wear clothes weren't an option. Yeah, so a bit of history there in those couple of little things just there. But no silvers, no pennies, but that happens. Yeah, so alright, until next time, always remember, fill in your holes, have fun, stay safe, and thanks for watching. Until next time.